In the weeks following his public announcement, Augustus Musa immersed himself in the task of assembling his team. The media buzzed with speculation and debate, but Augustus paid little attention. His focus was singular: to gather the brightest minds from around the globe, each a pioneer in their respective field, to form his Immortality Task Force. The first to arrive was Dr. Elena Cruz, a neurosurgeon of unparalleled skill. She had made headlines with her groundbreaking work on brain transplantation. Her research had already shown promising results in animals, and she was confident that human trials were within reach. Augustus admired her determination and unflinching resolve. She believed that the key to immortality lay in preserving the mind, even if the body failed. Next came Dr. Marcus Chen, a geneticist whose work had redefined the possibilities of genetic engineering. Dr. Chen's laboratory was renowned for its advancements in CRISPR technology, which allowed precise editing of the human genome. He envisioned a future where genetic enhancements could eradicate diseases and extend the human lifespan indefinitely. Augustus was captivated by Dr. Chen's vision of a world where aging itself could be reversed at the molecular level. Dr. Maya Patel, the leading figure in nanotechnology, joined soon after. Her work with nanobots, microscopic machines capable of repairing cellular damage, had already revolutionized medicine. She saw nanotechnology as a way to not only cure diseases, but also to enhance the human body far beyond its natural limits. Augustus saw in her a partner who could help him realize a future where the body was constantly renewed and maintained by tiny, invisible machines. From the realm of artificial intelligence came Dr. Alexander Yu. His pioneering research on consciousness upload aimed to digitize the human mind, transferring it into a computer where it could exist indefinitely. Dr. Yu's theories were controversial, raising profound questions about the nature of identity and consciousness. Yet, Augustus saw the potential to transcend the limitations of the biological body altogether, achieving a form of digital immortality. Dr. Emily Park, a leading expert in stem cell therapy, brought her expertise in regenerative medicine to the team. Her work focused on harnessing the power of stem cells to regenerate damaged tissues and organs, offering the promise of rejuvenation and repair. Augustus valued her practical approach to extending life by constantly renewing the body from within. Dr. Jameson Reed, the marine biologist known for his study of the immortal jellyfish, arrived with his unique perspective on biological immortality. The jellyfish, capable of reverting to its juvenile form, held secrets that could unlock new pathways to eternal life. Dr. Reed's work was a reminder that nature itself often held the answers to humanity's greatest challenges. Cryonics expert Dr. Sarah Monroe joined the team, bringing with her the promise of preserving life through extreme cold. Her research aimed to perfect the process of cryopreservation, ensuring that bodies could be stored and revived in the future. Augustus saw cryonics as a backup plan, a way to buy time until other methods of achieving immortality were perfected. The historian and archaeologist Dr. Gabriel Knight added a different dimension to the task force. His lifelong quest for the Holy Grail, a legendary artifact rumored to grant eternal life, provided a link to the ancient and mystical. While some scoffed at his inclusion, Augustus recognized the value of exploring every possible avenue, including those steeped in myth and legend. Celine Blackwood, a vampire hunter with knowledge of ancient and mystical practices, rounded out the team. Her understanding of the occult and her experience with creatures that defied natural laws offered an unconventional approach to immortality. Augustus was intrigued by the possibility that ancient rituals and hidden knowledge could hold the key to eternal life. Finally, Dr. Sofia Ramirez, a physicist leading research in time manipulation, completed the team. Her work aimed to control the flow of time, potentially allowing individuals to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Augustus was fascinated by the idea of manipulating time itself, seeing it as the ultimate frontier in the quest for immortality. As the members of the Immortality Task Force gathered in the conference room atop Musa Tower, Augustus looked around the table, feeling a renewed sense of hope. Each of these brilliant minds represented a different approach to conquering death, and together, they embodied humanity's best chance at achieving the impossible. "Welcome," Augustus began, his voice filled with determination. "Each of you is here because you are the best in your field. Our mission is to achieve what has eluded humanity since the dawn of time: immortality. We will leave no stone unturned, no possibility unexplored. Together, we will defy death itself." The room buzzed with a mixture of excitement and solemnity. The journey ahead would be long and fraught with challenges, but for Augustus Musa and his task force, the quest for immortality had now truly begun.